Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make chicken and pineapple. It's another cycle of a recipe. So we got, it says chunks but we got pieces. We're just going to use tomato sauce. And we got soy sauce. So we got honey. We got 4 pieces of it says garlic and cloves, but we got garlic. We got crushed garlic and same as crushed ginger. Let's get into it. Now we're going to heat up the vegetable oil in the fry pan, and then we're going to add the chicken thighs and cook that over medium heat for 45 minutes each side until lightly browned. So I'm going to put the on this. So we're going to spread the oil around. I'm going to turn it on, put the lid on, and leave that. So we're going to open up this. Please don't get cut. I got cut. Get my tongs. Doing this because he's just sitting on his butt on the computer. So we're gonna put these 4 in the frying pan. We're gonna put So we're gonna let this cook. So we got honey. So we're gonna put 1.5 cups in here. Just put it in because I like spraying the damn thing. So that. I'll just put and 2.5 cups for the soy sauce. Yeah. I'll get this. I put the garlic in. So next is ginger. So what did it say for the ginger? Oh, one tablespoon. Oh, I'm going to do the same what I did to the ginger. And now, so next is ketchup. So what's with the ketchup? 2 tablespoons. So 2 tables of ketchup. 1, 2. Oh, hello, Tony. So we're gonna mix it now. Oh, and plus honey will melt in the Okay. So we're going to put the chicken thighs in the slow cooker, and then we're going to put the sauce over top of it. So, so I might put like this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got to pause this because I want to put the. So we're going to put the sauce in. So now we're going to put the sauce in. Oh, the honey is a bit. So we're going to bring the slope the. So we're going to let this. Go have a look. So we're going to turn it on high. So guys, it's drained the juices out of the pineapple. So we're going to make 2 cups in that one. But we're going to make 2 cups of this and put it into the slow cooker. So this is 1 cup of pineapple. So this is the 2nd cup. What we got? We're just going to use cornstarch. So we've got cornflour, but cornflour. So So we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of this. Oh, just used to. No, fucking hell. There we go. So we got 1, 2. So we're just gonna get the water and then mix it. You'll wait for the last minute. He'll wait for the last minute. So we're gonna flick it up this with that. So we're gonna I'm gonna this will be my dinner. So I'll be doing. I'm probably having my dinner quite early. Well, thank you for watching how to make chicken and pineapple. I'll write the recipe in the description down below. Subscribe, put the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye. Then it's gonna look yummy.